Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how to create double exposure effects on image by using Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my canvas. So let me take one blank canvas. Okay, so here I have a blank canvas. So let me insert two images. Okay, you need to insert your images like this. Okay, here the position, change the layer. Okay, so this image is back side and this is the front side. Okay, for this image you can remove the background. Okay, crop the image like this, give this back side, go to the app, and here you can search image blender. Okay, select that image blender app. Here the option you can see. Okay, you can use this option, this effects. This is a like, let me show you. Okay, this is a liner and radial. We have radial also, so you can do this. Okay, now select that dot and just increase decrease size like this, then the exposure if it will be applied. Okay, like this. You can also change. Okay, and here the liner options. Here you can choose liner option like this. Okay, save it. You can see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.